This video is for informational purposes only, based on known facts, and not a professional recommendation. In this video, we'll talk about the health benefits of nutmeg for your child, especially during winter. At the end of this video, we'll show you a soothing and delicious nutmeg recipe that you and your child can enjoy. Nutmeg is a spice that is made from the dried seed of the nutmeg tree, which is native to Indonesia. It has a warm, nutty flavor and is often used in baking, curries, and desserts. Nutmeg has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties. It is a good source of antioxidants, which can help protect the body against damage from free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells, leading to a variety of health problems. According to Ayurveda, an alternative medicine system in India, many spices possess medicinal properties capable of combating various ailments. Nutmeg boasts a plethora of medicinal qualities, making it an essential addition to your child's diet, particularly during the winter months. Indian elders have long recommended introducing nutmeg into a baby's solid food regimen once they reach 6 months of age. Adding nutmeg to their meals not only enhances the taste, but also brings forth numerous health benefits. Antibacterial power. Nutmeg is rich in antibacterial properties, fortifying the immune system. Antibacterial power. Nutmeg is rich in antibacterial properties, fortifying the immune system. Antioxidant rich. With its nutty aroma, nutmeg is a treasure trove of antioxidants. Anti-inflammatory. Nutmeg also exhibits anti-inflammatory properties, adding depth of flavor to dishes. Nutmeg is exceptionally beneficial for young children, and when provided in moderation, can help them sleep soundly and alleviate cold and cough symptoms. Here are 4 reasons why kids should consume nutmeg, especially during the winter season. Cold and cough relief. Nutmeg, in powdered form, imparts warmth to babies. You can offer a pinch of nutmeg powder directly or mix it into foods and drinks. This boosts the baby's immunity and effectively alleviates cold and cough. Enhanced sleep. Nutmeg has a calming effect on infants, soothing irritability and promoting peaceful sleep. Gastrointestinal harmony. Babies often experience colic and gas issues. Nutmeg, in small quantities, can help soothe their stomachs and alleviate discomfort. Indigestion relief. Babies have delicate digestive systems, making them prone to indigestion, diarrhea, and stomach aches when transitioning to solid foods. It can help relieve indigestion, bloating, and gas. It's also used in herbal remedies for diarrhea. Try this quick and delicious warm drink recipe with nutmeg. Add nutmeg powder to a cup of hot milk. Pour in some honey mix. Garnish with crushed cardamom, or if it's easier, cinnamon.